Hello and welcome to Data Visualization with Python Laboratory. A student, in this video we are going to see the program number 3A of Ability Enhancement Course. Let us see the syllabus, then we'll proceed. So here is the syllabus. So program number 3A says that write a program that reads sentence from the user and finds number of words in that sentence, how many digits are there, how many uppercase letters are there, how many lowercase letters are there. For example, if you take the input from the user, say you've taken the input, welcome to Sri Krishna Institute of Technology. Okay, I'll use welcome to SKIT, say 560090. Done. So here your program should give you how many words are there in this. How many words are there? 4 words are there. Correct? So word count is 4. Then how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. Digit count is equal to 6. Then how many uppercase letters are there? Suppose assume that W I have used the capital and S also I have used the uppercase letter. Then uppercase letter I should get 2 and lowercase letter except these 2, the others letters, only the alphabet, that count I should get as a lowercase letter. So let us see, very simple. What I'll do is I will use because this is a string related function, I'll use the string methods. We have a lot of string methods, say is lower is there, whether to check whether the alphabet is lower or not. We have is upper and we have lower to convert the upper alphabet into lower. We have upper method to convert the lower alphabet to uppers, and we have is digit to check whether it is digit or not, and we have is alpha to check whether it is a alphabet or not. These methods I'll use and I'll write the program. Let me open Jupyter Notebook. Okay, for this what is the requirement? The requirement is I should read a sentence from the user. Correct? I'll just read one sentence from the user. Sentence, the variable name, I'll use input. Enter the sentence. Done. Then I'll declare the variable for word count WC is equal to, then I want digit count DC I'll take for digit count, and upper count, the upper letter count, and LC for lower count. All these variables I'll initialize 0, or you can write in a single variable in a single line also WC comma WC is equal to 0, then next line DC is equal to 0, like that also you can write, or in a single line also you can write it like this. Then what I'll do is whatever string I have taken, in that string I'll check whether that string contain any alphabets or not. Okay, for that what I'll do is I'll use for loop. I'll take one character from that sentence, char in sentence. Okay, I have taken one character from the sentence and I'll check whether that character is, if char dot is alpha, is ALPHA, is alpha is a function to check whether it is a alphabet or not. Is alpha, what is that is alpha? So that character, whatever character is I have taken from the sentence, that character I am checking is alpha. If it is alpha, then again I have to check whether it is lowercase alphabet or uppercase alphabet. Once again I'll write the if, nested if that character whatever I have taken is lower. If it is lower, what I have to do, I have to increment my lower count, that is lower count is equal to LC plus 1. If not, what I have to do, I have to increment the uppercase count. If it is not lowercase, obviously that should be the uppercase character, else the uppercase count is equal to uppercase count plus 1. Done. So suppose if it is not the alphabet, then I'll use else if the char is digit. If it is not alphabet, I have to check whether it is a digit or not. No, if is digit, there is a function is digit. Then if it is a digit, what I have to do, I have to increment my digit count. DC is equal to DC plus 1. Done. So now I got the digit count, I got the lowercase letter, I got the uppercase letter. Now I want the word count. For that word count, what I'll do is I'll use the split function. What the split function will do, I'll just briefly explain. See here, suppose you have the input, say welcome to SKIT 56009 something. This is the sentence that you have read from the user. Okay, this is the sentence that you have read from the user, that is, I mean, input you have taken from the user. Now what I'll do is, where I have to store, I have stored it in a variable called sentence. I'll use that variable sentence, and I will call the method called split, split. This is the string method. So I am passing this string to it, that is with the help of this string I am calling the function split. And what is the delimiter I am passing? This is very important. If you don't pass anything in the bracket, that means consider space as the delimiter and cut that. I mean split the entire string based on the delimiter. I have not given anything, so that means it will take the space as the delimiter. Now output of this is a list. You will get like this: welcome, because space, no, one word, space, comma, 2 is one word, then SKIT is one word, then the last word, that is this 560. So this is the list. Now assume that li is equal to the output of this. I'll use li, and whatever it will give the output, I am storing in li. Now we know that we have a function called len. Length will give you the length of a string or length of a list. So if you pass length of li, it will return the integer value, that is 4. It will count how many items are there in that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. So that I'll use in my program. Now word count, say first I have to get the words, right? I mean, I have to get the list. So li is equal to whatever sentence is there I have read from the user, that sentence I'll pass to a function called split. So split will give me the list. Then I'll use the word count. I'll store it in a variable word count. Word count is equal to len of li. Done. So I got the word count, I got the digit count, I got the letter count, that is lowercase letter, uppercase letter, everything. Now what I have to do, I have to print them all. I'll use print function. Print say words or number of words is equal to, where is the count? There in WC. So like this, I'll copy paste this. Number of digits, number of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, digit count DC, uppercase UC, LC. Let me execute this. I'll give welcome to SKIT 1, 2, 3. So here how many words are there? 4 words are there. How many uppercase letter? 2 uppercase letter. How many digits? 3 digits. And remaining are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are lowercase. Now I'll hit enter. Now you can see words are 4, words are 4, digits are 3, uppercase letters are 2 because I have given W capital, S capital, lowercase letters are 11. Thank you.